Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? Hey guys, it is time for the Imethod Beauty winner selection. Oh yeah, 3 lucky winners are going to win the Eyebrow stamp and stencil kits. And Kayla from Imethod Beauty will be responsible to sending those out to you. Once you get back with me with your name and address, I will turn that information over to her and you will receive this product. And without any further ado, let's go over to the comment picker and let's pick 3 winners. I've got my URL in, I've got the filter for duplicates, I've got our keyword was subscribed, and we had 29 comments. Thank you very much. And to win this, you do have to be subscribed to both Miss Jackie Russell and Imethod Beauty on YouTube. So without any further introduction, let's find out who our first winner is. Here we go. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Melissa Duggar. Congratulations, Melissa Duggar. She says, wow, it turned out really nice and looks super easy. It's something I'd definitely be interested in trying. I'm already subscribed to Imethod. I love your new nails. Oh, well, thank you, Melissa, and congratulations. And I will double check to see that she is subscribed. And here we go. There's Miss Jackie Russell. Now let's find Imethod. And there's Imethod Beauty. So there's our first winner. Now let's go back over to the URL and we're going to pick our second winner. And we're just going to hit pick another winner. And here we go. Who's the second winner? Who's the second winner? Who's the second winner? Chrissy's Unboxings and More. Congratulations, Chrissy. She says, I've subscribed to you and them, so I guess I'm done. Can I be entered? Of course you can, Chrissy. Congratulations. Let's double check your channel real quick. And hey guys, Chrissy is a new YouTuber, so y'all need to go over and show her some love. Let me see here. She has a channel and she does some unboxings and some other beauty things. And it's very sweet, so y'all need to go and check her out. There's Imethod Beauty. There's Miss Jackie Russell. So we have our second winner. So congratulations to Chrissy Unboxings and More. You're the second winner. Now let's pick our third winner. Who's the third lucky winner? Who's the winner? Michael Weber. Hey, this is Amy. She says, hi, Jackie. Oh my, I love all the Imethod Beauty products they have been sending. And this stamp looks so simple. And this giveaway ends on my birthday, May 7th. And I hope I have some good luck. LOL. I am subscribed, of course. I love this, hun. And you did a great job, hun. Love, Amy. Well, thank you, Amy. And I know Amy subscribed to me. She is a previous winner. And she is subscribed and comments regular. We just got to find Imethod on here. There's Imethod Beauty. And now we just got to find me. And happy birthday, Amy, a day late. Today's May 8th. But you did win. And I'm not sure if this will get posted today or tomorrow, but I do wish you a happy birthday. I'm looking for my mug just to make it official. And there I am, Miss Jackie Russell. So Amy, you are our third official winner. Congratulations, and again, happy birthday. But everybody, we have Amy, we had Chrissy, and we had Melissa. You all have 48 hours to contact me with your information, and I will get your address over to Imethod, and Kayla with Imethod will send out your prizes. You will be receiving the Eyebrow stamp and stencil kit. Easy for me to say, huh? So hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed this giveaway. I want to thank Kayla with Imethod for sponsoring this giveaway and for, of course, sponsoring the product that I showed you all how easy it is to use the Imethod stencil for your eyebrows. So everybody, there is a link that will be connected to this video and to the original video. If you're interested, you can go and check it out, and there is a discount if you want to purchase through Amazon, and all that information will be in the description. As for today, that's all I have. I want to wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.